And how can be the polarizing power of the cation be more? So again, there are few conditions when the polarizing power of the cation would be more. Obviously, the size depends. Okay, the size definitely depends. I have drawn two cations. This one is of bigger size, this one is of smaller size. Okay, smaller the size, more charge is concentrated together. So if it is very small, all the charge is concentrated at the center. The whole point mass will be at the center. And greater the size, all the charges will be scattered everywhere. So which one would be more powerful? The one which is concentrated at one single point? So you should keep in mind, if the polarizing power of the cation will be more if the size of the cation is smaller. So in other words, smaller the size, greater the polarizing power, and hence greater will be the covalent character. The second most point is the charge of the cation. More the charge, more will be its polarization power. PP means polarization power. I have written the shortcut. And more will be the covalent character. So suppose we have Na plus, Mg2 plus, Al3 plus. So definitely, without a doubt, the one which has got more charge, that cation will have more polarizing power. So the polarizing power of Al3 plus is greater than Mg2 plus, and that of Mg2 plus is greater than Na plus, or the polarizing power of sodium is less than magnesium, and that is less than aluminium, because aluminium holds the highest charge. Okay, there's another example. For example, you have lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium. In that case, what should we do? Here all the charges are equal. So when all the charges are equal, it is at this point you need to see which one has got the smallest size, right? Smaller the size, greater would be the polarizing power. Obviously all of them belongs to group 1. So lithium, first we get lithium, and then below lithium we have sodium, and then below sodium we have potassium, and below potassium you have rubidium in periodic table, right? So since they have equal charges, so in that case we would be seeing the size. As we go down the group, the size of the atoms starts increasing. So definitely we already know, smaller the size, greater will be the polarizing power, and greater would be the covalent character. Hence, among these cations, lithium has got the smallest size, and that is why the polarizing power of lithium will be the greatest. And then below lithium you have sodium, which is bigger than lithium, but whose size is less than potassium, because in the periodic table we have first lithium, then below it sodium, then below it potassium, and then below it rubidium. So the order would also be in this way, because as the size increases, the polarizing power decreases. So lithium will have the greatest polarizing power, then comes sodium, then comes potassium, and then comes rubidium.